Hello, children. Let's learn about 20 fruits name. Let's start. This is apple. This is banana. This is strawberry. This is watermelon. This is pineapple. This is kiwi. This is blueberry. This is grape. This is orange. This is avocado. This is mango. This is pear. This is cherry. This is papaya. This is lemon. This is peach. This is plum. This is raspberry. This is grapefruit. This is apricot. This is coconut. This is lychee. This is guava. This is pomegranate. This is dragon fruit. This is jackfruit. Well done, kids!